Okay. All right, guys. So I put the tint on the taco like 2 years ago. Shitty 5%. We did it with a rusty knife, and it looks like crap. So we already took off the tint on the driver's side. Over there. We are now going to peel this nasty stuff off. And we are going to retint this whole thing with 5%. Front and back. But in this video, it's just going to be the front. So we're going to show you guys the retint process of how you would go about tinting your vehicle kind of thing as we retint my front two windows with 5% tint. So follow along for the super awesome, satisfying video. Crispy, look at this guy. Look at it peel, look at it peel. This is probably the worst part, is peeling off old tint first, because we're going to spend forever cleaning this window before we can even apply the new material.
See how little of the shit is coming off on it?
Yeah, like all the sticky material is on there.
Yeah, because all of it.
So here we go, guys. We've got the door panel off now, and this is the quality tint we're using. It's the Walmart special. Well, no, AutoZone special. But yeah, so we remove the door frame, make it nice and easy, get our tint nice and down in there. I'm gonna go grab some wipes. I'm gonna clean some of this stickiness off, because you can you can kind of see how there's shit on the top. Obviously there's shit on the outside, but there's shit on the top of this window too. This is all clear, but right here is stickiness. So I'm gonna take care of that, and yeah, then we're gonna start laying some tint. Let him cook. Let him cook.
I used to wrap cars, gang. Yeah, it was my job for a while. I told your brother I'd fucking tint his shit.
Yeah, your brother's supposed to bring his car back.
It's a 5?
Yeah, this shit's 5.
Bro, 5 all the way. Never, bro. There it is, boys. The fresh 5 on the front. I still gotta do the driver's side, but we finished the passenger side real quick. We're going out to Watertown. We'll hit the driver's side when we get to my house in Watertown. So yeah, I'll show you guys a clip of that done, but otherwise that's gonna end it. I mean, tint's pretty simple. It's a simple process. There it is. Let's go. Yo.